project. I've got this chopping block that I bought from my dad for $10. He bought it from a garage sale, and he said to me that when he bought it, the people said that it was quite special because it came from their property. So they had a farm and they felled the wood and made the chopping block. So I think that's really cool. It's got a little bit of history. It's quite organic, the shape of it, so it's got some natural edges on it. It has been used, so it's been loved. I've got some great ideas to put an octopus on it. I'm thinking tentacles everywhere, using both sides, and yeah, I'm quite excited. I'm thinking I'll give this to my son as a present for when he's older. And yeah, excited to get some pencil onto it, so time to sand. So I'm at the front of the boat and I'm about to do some sanding. I've started off with, I've got a 60 and then an 80 to go to. We'll just see how that goes. I might need to go down further after that, but see how smooth it is. So I got super excited and I kind of started without doing a video, so here's where I'm up to. But I'm so happy with how this is looking so far. Obviously I've got to neaten up all of these, but I just wanted to get the basis of where the tentacles were going and which sides were going to have the top of the octopus and the bottom of the octopus and things like that. So this is a start of where I'm at. On the back side it's pretty curly. Yeah, I like how it started.